In this video, I'm quickly going to show you how to fix shadow ban on TikTok. So shadow bans occurs when you violate the community guidelines of TikTok and TikTok does not show your content out to more people and your views drop. Now in order to fix this problem, you can try waiting out a couple of days before you post, and you can also try to contact the TikTok directly through your app. So for that, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of the screen, and from here tap on the three lines on the top right and head over to settings and privacy. From here scroll down and tap on report a problem under support and about. Now it's going to take you to this section where you can now report any kinds of issues that you're facing with your account. You can straight scroll down to the bottom and tap on submit a report. After that, a feedback section will open up where you can now type in the exact problem that you're facing. I wrote a couple of lines. If you want, you can also copy these lines, and if you have anything in mind, you can also type it in. And after that is done, you can now tap on submit on the bottom. Now after you submitted this report, TikTok should help you at fixing your problem of shadow ban. But you'll need to wait out a couple of days in order for this to work out. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video, and I'll be back with more.